Okay, here we are. I'm going to crack it open. Because it was already technically cracked, as you can see right here. Whatever it is dead. You can smell it. Let's see. It's not an eating egg, I can tell you that. Whatever is inside, I don't want to completely hurt it. Sorry for the shaking. Let's find out. Let's continue to split it in half. It's kind of difficult because I am holding the camera. It is an animal. Ew. This is pretty gross. The smell is very horrible. Ew. Thinking maybe a snake. Okay, hold on. There's something in here. I don't know if it's just rotten or if that's part of whatever animal it was going to be. Here come the flies. Ew. Whatever it was starting to form, but then it didn't make it. I think it was a snake. Or a duck egg. Not really sure, but no actual form. So maybe a snake. Bye.